Cooperation Minister Amit Shah launched 10,000 new multipurpose primary agricultural cooperative societies (PACS) on Wednesday and asserted that the government will achieve its target of establishing 2 lakh such societies before the 5-year timeline. Addressing the launch event, Shah said prosperity through cooperation cannot be achieved unless cooperatives function effectively at the panchayat level. We have kept a target of setting up 2 lakh PACS in 5 years. I want to tell you that we will establish 2 lakh PACS before 5 years. In 3 months, we established 10,000 new PACS, the minister said. The initiative will be rolled out in 2 phases, with NABARD establishing 32,750 new M-PACS in the first phase, while NDDB will set up 56,500 dairy cooperatives and NFDB 6,000 fishery cooperatives. In the second phase, NABARD will create 45,000 MPACS, NDDB will establish 46,000 dairy cooperatives and NFDB 5,500 fishery cooperatives. State governments will form about 25,000 new cooperatives, he added. Shah also released Standard Operating Procedures (SOP) for the liquidation of defunct PACS, which will enable the setting up of new societies in 15,000 villages. Under current norms, a second PACS cannot be established in villages where one already exists unless declared defunct. The minister distributed registration certificates, micro ATMs and Rupai Kisan credit cards to the newly established cooperative societies. Shah also highlighted the importance of digitalization in the sector, noting that the government has already computerized existing PACS and integrated them with 32 different initiatives. However, he stressed that technology alone is not enough. We have computerized, given software and started different schemes. However, cooperatives cannot operate if there is no trained manpower, he said, urging societies to utilize the new training module. So far, 11,695 PACS have registered under new model laws, he added. The minister also recalled the contribution made to the cooperative sector on the 100th birth anniversary of late former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He added that the 97th Amendment to the Constitution was brought during Vajpayee's regime to give a push to the cooperative sector. Union Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying and Panchayati Raj Rajiv Ranjan Singh, Minister of State for Cooperation Krishan Pal Gurjar, and senior government officials were present at the event.
Uttal News.